What's going on, guys? Fun with Knives back again. Wouldn't you know, it's another new knife. My knife buying spree continues. This time it's the Ontario Knife Co. Rat Model 2. I had a Rat Model 1 quite a long time ago. I think I gave that one to my brother, but it's a fantastic knife. It checks all the boxes. It's really all most people need in a pocket knife, but people seem to love the smaller version as well, so I thought I'd give it a shot. So here is the Model 2. Obviously coyote brown and black on this model. So let's do a quick little spec rundown. 3-inch blade and just over a 4-inch handle, making it about 7 1/8 overall. Your blade thickness is a thin, slicey 0.09 with a very utilitarian drop point blade, fully flat ground. I do like the black blades on these just because they wear off pretty quickly and look good after some use. But this is the AUS 8 version. You see Randall's Adventure Training there, and then Taiwan on this side. I know they make quite a few of these in D2 now, but it seems like I've been buying a lot of D2 knives recently. Wanted to kick it back old school, go with the original steel. Liner lock on this. Pretty solid lockup. Lockup's a little late for a brand new knife, but it's working fine. I can't decide what this is running on. They're very small bushings overall. It looks like to me one of them is, phosphor bronze or something. It's really hard to see in there. And one of them looks like it's nylon. But either way, decently smooth. Detent is very soft. I think I could get this to misfire if I'm not really putting some pressure behind it. But luckily those thumb studs are huge and easy to access. Get a little bit of jimping here on this mini thumb ramp and a little bit on the lock bar too to disengage it. You have nylon handles here, not G10, not anything super special, but you do have a 4-way reversible pocket clip, and for whatever reason it comes tipped down, which is shocking. You'd think they'd know the knife world enough to know that very few carry that way, but open construction, got a lot of standoffs throughout. Looks like 3 and the stop pin, or that one might be doubling as a stop pin. But something to note, the QC isn't fantastic. I do know this is a budget knife. It's only, I don't know, $32 or something, but you can see some of those nylon handle scales are just not sitting flush on those liners. Not a huge deal. I mean, you could take some sandpaper to that in about 10 seconds and it'd be nice and smooth. But just in contrast to a knife I recently unboxed, this QSP Parrot, which costs almost exactly the same with upgraded materials and what seems to be better quality control, but we'll make a separate video on that. This is all about the Rat 2. This knife is just so functional, so utilitarian and useful. I'm saying that about the Rat 1. I haven't used the smaller version. But one thing I'm not a fan of so far, it seems like this knife is a scaled down version without any iterations or updates to the smaller size. And that means this grip area is the same shape, but there's just not a lot of functional grip area because like this, finger cutout's just very small, when on the larger one, it's perfect. You think they would have made this a little shallower, maybe moved up, I don't know, the kind of the finger guard there. Just seems like we're wasting some handle here. But either way, this seems like it's going to be a decent carry, maybe one that goes into a kit that stays very sharp and doesn't see a lot of pocket time after I get my initial review done. But that is the Ontario Rat number 2 with AUS 8 steel. Let me know what you guys think about this knife, if you like it as much as the Model 1, because I love that knife. But thanks for watching, and remember, have fun with your knives.